Hi, in this video we will be talking about how do you enable two-factor authentication for your Google accounts, and be it your personal Gmail ID or your professional Gmail ID that has been provided to you. First things first, you will need to log in into your ID. As you can see, I have already logged in over here. Then go on the top right where you can see your Google account. If you have already put in your photo, you can see your photo, or you can see an alphabet or something like that. Go to manage your Google account. It will open up accounts tab in a new tab in the same window. Over there, go to security on the left hand side. It will show you various security steps that you had already taken, and right now it shows that I last changed my password at this date and time. I recently changed my password, so it shows me the current time, and it shows that two-step verification is off for this account. I had two-step verification on, but for purposes of this demo I have turned it off, and I will be enabling it right now. So all you have to do is click on this right arrow, so it will take into your two-step verification tab. Add an extra layer of security, keep the bad guys out. Yes, that is what we actually want to do. Get started. It will ask you to verify that it is you only, so just type in your password again. The devices which can get the prompt, as this is the device where I already have this email ID signed in, so yeah, it will get a prompt over there. On my phone I'm getting a prompt, I'm clicking into yes or no. Let me let me show you how does it actually look over there. Yeah, so this is how is my phone looking right now. So all I'm doing is on my phone I'm clicking yes, and there you go. How do you want it? Is as a backup option? Yes, I want codes via SMS also if it's possible. Okay, I'm getting a code over here. Obviously I'm not going to show you the code, I'm just going to quickly type it as soon as I get an SMS. And even if you can see the code, doesn't matter because you don't know my password. So which is the first step of security. That's it. Turn on. The first default step would be the prompt that you saw coming on the screen over there. That was the prompt. That will be the very first step of security. Or the second backup option would be, if that is not available, you will get an SMS. That is, these are the by default two methods that you have, which are turned on for my device right now. There are other methods also: security key, authenticator app, backup codes. I want to talk about authenticator app. I wish to set up that. So what is an authenticator app? So Google has got this few other methods of authentication. This is the Google Authenticator app, which is completely freely available on the Play Store. You can just download it. You don't need anything else for that. You can authenticate the two-step verification process for various accounts that you have. The supported accounts are various Gmail accounts, your Facebook account, Instagram account, LinkedIn, Twitter. So all of these services or softwares or platforms which have two-factor authentication either work in two ways. They either give you SMS every time you wish to log in part, or they give you a prompt via this Google Authenticator. So this is going to be installed on your phone. I already have it installed on my phone. I cannot show you that because I already have various other codes for few other websites lying over there. So if I wish to set it up, so I click on setup. It is an Android. Okay, so it will give me a barcode. So what you have to do is install the Google Authenticator app. It has got only one screen. Once the app is installed, over there you will see a plus button, and that's it. You just scan this QR code that is being shown on the screen over here, and thus it's done. 6-digit code on the Authenticator app that is currently being shown is this. Enter the code, that's it, you're verified. So it is going to give me 3 steps. I have got 3 different methods of verifying my login. So first default, I would like to have it as the Google prompt, that is the on-screen prompt that you saw a few minutes ago. The second method is Authenticator app. If this on-screen prompt is not available, I can always use this Authenticator app. If this is also not available, I will be getting an SMS as a login option. And yes, that's it. This is how your two-step verification is enabled. You go back over here, you will see extra sign-in step authenticator app added, two-step verification turned on, password change. Yes, I changed password today itself, right? And last change two-step app password, blah blah blah. A lot of other things, options are available over there, which you can explore if you want on your own. Thank you.